Hey everybody, Ryan Ramsey here, RP Elite Motors and Marine, coming at you on a Thursday afternoon. I've got a fresh new unit here behind me. It's a 2022 F250 Platinum. Have Kinsey go through this thing with you guys and show you close-ups everything. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so here it is, 2022 F250 Platinum. It's got 16,000 miles on it. It is a 10-speed. So it's on a 7 to 9 inch PMF kit. Got the King coilover in there, the T-mount. And we got some 24-inch fuel forged wheels wrapped in a Nitto. You can see the lift's all powder coated black as well. Got the rear track bar. This truck does have a custom exhaust as well with tip. King shocks all the way around. It's got a slide up bed cover, guys, bed liner in the back as well. This truck doesn't have paint to match yet, but something we could definitely add if you guys wanted to go the extra mile and really get it blacked out, something we could do in-house. It's got the running boards on it. It is a Platinum Ultimate. This truck actually does have a 5-position switch on it. So guys, like I said, we are gonna get this thing detailed. We just got it here. Super clean truck, like new. Seats are all in great shape. It does have the 1000-piece star headliner. And then up here we've got a custom knob base switch down there below the steering wheel. It's got two 12s in the back with the custom box I can show y'all. All right guys, so that's the walk around the truck. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope it's something you guys possibly like. If you do have interest in the truck, please reach out to me directly, 817-890-9989. Love to work a deal. I'm gonna get out of here, get this thing cleaned up, and I'll see you guys later.